Okay guys, here we go with our 2012 Strata break. We got our list here that we're about to random. Let's just go down the list and take a look. The left side, the participants. Right side, the teams. We're going to random this list of participants and then mate it up with this list of teams. So let's take a look at everybody. Make sure your name's in there. Big Joe coming back. He's a regular. So there's all the names. So let's copy and paste this list of names into random.org. Alright, so here we are, random.org. I'm going to paste that list of names in. There it is. And there's everybody's name. We're going to random this 5 times. Here we go. 1. Focus. There it is. 2. 3. 4. And the last time, guys, here we go. 5. There it is. So let's copy this. And we're going to paste it back into our spreadsheet. There it is. So let's just go down this list real quick so you'll know who you have. Wayne F., 49ers. Big Joe with the Bears. Tom S., Bengals. Blake F., Bills. Big Joe, Broncos. Big Joe, Browns. Wayne F., Bucks. Blake F., Cardinals. Matthew D., Chargers. Mel P., Chiefs. Mark K., Colts. Wayne F., Cowboys. Matthew D., Dolphins. Blake F., Eagles. Juwan S., Falcons. Matthew D., Giants. Wayne F., Jags. Matthew D., Jets. Big Joe, Lions. Mel P., Packers. Big Joe, Panthers. Mark K., Patriots. Wayne F., Raiders. Blake F., Rams. Terry K., Ravens. Tom S., Redskins. Mark K., Saints. Blake F., Seahawks. Derek M., Steelers. Blake F., Texans. Blake F., Titans. And Tom S. with the Vikings. So that rounds that out. Make sure everybody knows who they have in the break. And there it is, guys. Let's go ahead and get this going. There they are. We just posted some new breaks in the breaks section of our website, mvpbreaks.com. Go check them out. Everything's cheap. We try and keep everything cheap. Give everybody a chance to get multiple slots. Everything's around $3.99, $4.99, $5.99. We even have a $1 break. It's value boxes, 6 value boxes. There's hobby packs of platinum in that. It's $1 a slot. Every card is randomed. Chance at some autos, some patches for $1. Hey, it's $1. It's worth a shot. So check us out, mvpbreaks.com. And without further ado, let's go ahead and do this. Box 1. RG3. Poor guy hurt his knee the other night. Trying to be too tough. Trying to play through the pain. Alright, box 1. Here we go. Pack 1. Laurent Robinson, LeGarrette Blount, Sean McCoy, DeMarco, that's my boy, DeMarco Murray. Lamar Miller, there's your rookie, Lamar Miller. Jarius Wright, rookie cards, there's your 2 rookies. Vikings and Dolphins. Pack 2. Ahmad Bradshaw. Maurice Jones-Drew, Andre Johnson, Dez. Here's your rookies. Brock Osweiler, Broncos. Melvin Ingram, Chargers. See if we can get us an auto here. I've seen plenty of autos pulled out of these blasters. Matt Flynn, Andy Dalton, Jason Witten, Sidney Rice, Devier Posey, there's your rookie, and Nick Toon. So Saints, Texans. Pack 4. I see Big Joe. He's already got his Browns hit back there. Whedon, Tony Homo, Tom Brady, Steve Johnson, Steven Jackson, 2 rookies. Bernard Pierce, who had a good day yesterday. Baltimore Ravens, and Brandon Whedon. Here you go, Big Joe. Next pack. Where's our rookies at? Where's our rookie autos? Larry Fitzgerald, Marquez Colston, Matt Forte, Christian Ponder. Here's your rookies. Dre Kirkpatrick, Bengals. Robert Turbin, Seahawks. It's the wrong Seahawk. Look for that. Russell Wilson. Alright, let's get it going, guys. Let's hit something nice. Ndamukong Suh, Vernon Davis, Phillip Rivers, Drew Brees, Stephen Hill, rookie for the Jets, Ronnie Hillman, Broncos. Big Joe again with Broncos hit. I see something in there, guys. We got something in this one. Let's see what it is. Here we go. Sean Green, Jeremy Maclin. There it is. Eagles, Marvin McNutt, auto. It's a good auto, good clean auto. It's not streaky at all. Corners look fairly sharp. Eagles, who's got the Eagles? Blake F. Blake F. with the auto. Look at there, right behind it. Nick Foles, Eagles. Blake F. And Alshon Jeffrey, Bears. We'll set that aside and get it in a top loader. Good hit for Blake F. More Eagles. Deshaun Jackson, C.J. Spiller, Rob Gronkowski, Julio Jones, and your rookies Isaiah Pead, Rams, Michael Agnew, Dolphins. Agnew, is that how you pronounce it? That's box 1, guys. We got an auto. Not bad for box 1. Box 2. Box 2. Here we go. Box 2, pack 1. Roy Halou, Marshawn Lynch, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Matt Schaub, Brandon Whedon again, Dre Kirkpatrick again. Big Joe stacking those Whedons. Sanchez, Calvin Johnson, Megatron. There's a Cam. Panthers. Man, Big Joe again. Panthers. You're raking it, Big Joe. Ryan Matthews, Robert Turbin, Seahawks, Stephen Hill, Jets. Alright. Mark K looking for his Andrew Luck. See him with the Colts. Here we go. Josh Freeman, Sean McCoy, A.J. Green, Patrick Willis, Ronnie Hillman, Broncos, Nick Foles again for the Eagles, and Blake F. Alright. DeMarco, Andre Johnson, Antonio Gates, Peyton, Alshon Jeffrey, and Isaiah Peed again. Halfway through the break, guys. Here we go. Dez, Jason Witten's a Cowboy pack. Jake Locker, Mike Wallace, Michael Aidnew, and Michael Brockers. Your rookies. Rams, Dolphins. Looking for a die cut. Let's see if we can find a die cut in here. Sidney Rice, Steve Johnson, Palomalu, Jimmy Graham. There you go. Andrew Luck. That's what we were looking for. Mr. Luck got knocked out of the playoffs, but Mark K will take his card. Rookie card. Ruben Randall, Giants. Next pack. Steven Jackson, Forte, Randy Moss, Beanie Wells, Gibbons, Rams rookie, Bruce Irvin, Seahawks. Last pack of box 2. Ponder, Rivers, Brandon Marshall, Carson Palmer, Shea McKellen, Bears, and the Kendall Wright, rookie. That was box 2. Kind of a weak box. Did get the Luck rookie. Box 2, guys. Here we go. Let's get another auto. What do you say? Okay. Miles Austin, Steve Smith, Peyton Hillis, Roy Halou, Courtney Upshaw, rookie, and Chandler Jones for the Patriots. Uh-oh, there's a die cut. Marshawn Lynch, Mark Sanchez. There it is, Alshon Jeffrey, Bears. Look at Big Joe. Bears, die cut. TJ Graham and Joe Adams. All right. Darrell Revis, Tony Gonzalez, Calvin Johnson, Josh Freeman, Michael Floyd Cardinals, Trent Richardson Browns, Big Joe again. Big Joe. Laurent Robinson, Garrett Blount, Sean McCoy, DeMarco Murray, Whitney Marsalis, Fletcher Cox, Eagles, Texans rookies. There's Mr. Wilson. Maud Bradshaw, Maurice Jones-Drew, Andre Johnson, Dez, Ryan Broyles, and Mr. Russell Wilson. It's going for about $5 on COMC right there, guys. One card, one base rookie. Okay. Who has those Seahawks? Blake F. Look at Blake F. Eagles and Seahawks, huh? Got two big hitters in this break. Blake F. and Big Joe. Matt Flynn, Andy Dalton, Jason Witten, Sidney Rice, Jarius Wright, rookie, and Lamar Miller, rookie. Dolphins and Vikes. Two more packs, guys. Romo, Brady, Steve Johnson, Steven Jackson, Brock Osweiler, Melvin Ingram, Chargers and Broncos rookies there. Last pack. I think since we got the die cut, we won't be having an auto here. We'll see. No auto. Doesn't look like. Fitzgerald, Colston, Matt Forte, Christian Ponder, Posey rookie, Nick Toon rookie, Saints and Texans. There it is, guys. There's the break. Let me go through these last few hits here just to show you what we came up with. Mr. Russell Wilson, who performed nicely yesterday in the game against the Redskins. Russell Wilson, all 5'9" of him. Alshon Jeffrey Shield die cut. Mr. Andrew Luck, who got knocked out of the playoffs but had a nice year. And our auto, Marvin McNutt, Eagles. Alright guys, thanks for joining the break, and make sure to check out mvpbreaks.com for all your breaking needs. We try to break at least every other day, and we're always having specials. Check us out. We also have a forum up where we can talk shop, and we also have some breaks listed on the forum that aren't on the site. Some huge breaks, a 10 case Bowman draft break for you baseball guys. So check us out.